So today I'm going to teach you about 7 different functions and a few tips and tricks to make your lives easier. So the first one is the upper. As you can tell, it changes David Blaine, they're all lowercase, into uppercase. Now the lower, as you can expect, is just the reverse. It changes John Smith from all uppercase to lowercase. Now the proper is a suffix function. Now it changes all the first letters of each word into uppercase letters. Now, if you have a bunch of names and you need to do this, you would basically create a row. For example, you click on insert and is a row. Now, if you have, let's say you had 20 names, you would copy and paste down here. And that's where the results will come out. Now, you don't need the results, right? But you also don't want to go in there and hand do, I don't know, let's just say you're working for Macy's, 100 names. So you click on this. This is, as you can see, the E is uppercase and the O is uppercase here and the O here and the E here is uppercase. It's already done. You would right click on there, click on copy, and then just click down on what you want to be accepted as, and you click on paste. And as you can see, it's all pasted. So the O is now capital. Now you can just click on these cells, and you can either delete the entire column, which I don't need, or you can just click on clear contents. Alright, so the next function is now. Now function just tells you the time and date. So just enter now wherever you want it, or you can enter the today function, which is, again, just tells you today's date wherever you want it. Now for the vlookup, let's just say you have another list of, I don't know, you're working at Applebee's and you're the district manager and you need to find something. So the vlookup is a good tool for that. So for example, it would say the vlookup is R41 is the word we're looking for, right? Or name. And it's usually going to be, the names are going to be in 2 rows. So the first part is what we're looking for, which is Wayne. And R34 to S39 is just from here all the way to here. It's what Excel is going to be searching for. Now, when it finds Wayne, you want what's on the second column. And you want to return the word in the second column. So Wayne world, and you put 0 for it to return what's on column number 2. If you wanted to return what's on column number 1, there's another function where I can highlight specific words. We're going to go over that in another section. But the vlookup is good for basically looking up anything vertical. There is a EXCELvlookup, which I'm going to go over in the next video. But thank you for tuning in. Any questions or any comments, please let me know. And thank you.